Hey gamers, is your Steam not loading properly? Don't worry, I've got a quick fix for you. Let's dive in. First of all, try restarting Steam. Right click the Steam icon in your system tray and select Exit. Then reopen Steam to see if it loads properly. If Steam still isn't loading, check your internet connection. Make sure you are connected to a stable network. You can also try restarting your router. Next, clear Steam's download cache. Open Steam, go to Settings, then click Downloads and click Clear Download Cache. This helps fix corrupted data that might be causing the issue. Still not working? Run Steam as an administrator. Right-click the Steam shortcut, select Run as administrator, and check if it loads. If nothing works, reinstall Steam. Don't worry, your games won't be deleted. Just go to Control Panel, click Programs, then uninstall a program. Find Steam, uninstall it, and download the latest version from Steam official website. And that's it. One of these steps should fix the Steam loading problem. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more gaming tips. Thanks for watching.